Yeah, so I'm just out here casually catching Pokemon on Valentine's Day because I ain't got no man. But I still want to look pretty, so. Okay, so I've already done my brows. I have already put concealer on my eyelids. Let's just get straight into it. So I'm going to be using the Saharan Blush Volume 2 palette. And I'm just going to take my little brush here and I'm going to go into Lena. I absolutely adore, darling, this shade. I'm just going to go just above. Oh my god, the pigment. And this is supposed to be blush? Hey. That is such a pretty shade. That pink is just so cute. I'll definitely be using that as a blush as well because that's my kind of blush shade. Now I'm going to be using my Inglot palette. This is a palette that I made myself and I'm going to use this red here down at the bottom. I legit have like no space for nothing. And I'm just gonna go a little bit more into the crease. Just so that I can make that red a little bit more popping. Girl, that's pretty. I'm just going to blend that out too. But I don't want this red, this background red, this transition red, whatever you want to call it. I don't want it to be too in your face. I'm going to switch out brushes. I'm using my e.l.f. blending eye brush. This is like old AF and like the bristles have started to come out. Going into my Saharan eyeshadow palette, I'm going to take Chad, but I'm only going to take a little bit because this black is very black. So I'm going to put it in the crease. I'm kind of like dotting it. Can you see already? It's doing the thing. You see? See, that black can go real black. Imagine if I had really gone in with that. Jeez. I'm going back in with that red. I like the whole dotting motion because I feel like I can control it a lot better, especially when it comes to dark shades. I'm going back in with a little bit more red just so I can get the right ratio of red to black. I'm absolutely loving this so far. Pretty. Now using my Flash palette, I'm going to use this red here at the bottom. I'm just using like a flat brush. This brush is all old. And for those of you who don't know, this is like cream pigments. And I'm gonna put this all over the lid, like this lovely blood red shade. Oh my god. I'm going to keep my eye closed and then taking that same red from that Inglot palette, I'm going to set. Picked up quite a bit now. I'm going to set that all over the lid. There you go. Now I can safely open up my eye. The thing is, you don't need a lot. You just need a little bit. Then I'm going to set it with a red shadow. If you have not got a Flash palette, I would definitely advise that you get yourself a Flash palette. You can get this. Makeup Forever do these. They were like the first people to do these, and they have them for like £100. Yeah. Or you can go on to eBay. Like iMagic is its own brand. It's not a fake, because this isn't Makeup Forever. They're not trying to be Makeup Forever. But iMagic is its own brand. So you can get this on eBay, even on Amazon for like, how much did I get mine for? I think it was for about £8, something like that. Something ridiculous like that. Now I'm going to take my Duo eyelash adhesive and I'm going to put it on my flat brush. And I'm going to put it all over where I've done that red stuff. If you can hear my kids screaming, it's better that they're screaming rather than me screaming. So I've got this red glitter. This is cosmetic glitter. it's not craft glitter. Make sure that if you are going to be using glitter, that you are using cosmetic glitter, not craft glitter. And I'm going over where I did the, oh, that is so pretty. I'm going over where I did all of the red. Definitely best to use a flat brush. Oh, that is so pretty. Now I've definitely got to wipe my brush. Okay, so now I've done both eyes with glitter. I'm going in on the outer V with a little bit more of that black. I like to go in and just cause a complete mess. Now I'm just going to clean up the edges, yeah, and I'm going to clean up underneath my eye as well. Now I'm going to go and do the rest of my makeup, put on some lashes, and I'll be back. So this is the finished look. I absolutely love it and adore it. I absolutely do. I put on some lashes, I've done some wing liner, I put on my foundation. Ugh, under my eyes are creasing already. I've done like a little pinky nude kind of lip. You know that I like my nude lips anyway. And I put on a little bit of blush and a tiny little bit of contour. I didn't want to go overboard. Oh, and I did under my eyebrows. I went in with some concealer and I just blended it out so that the eyeshadow wasn't too far up to the brows, because I can't stand when I do that. If you do that, that's fine, but I don't want to do that. Anyway, so I absolutely love this Valentine's Day look. I ain't going nowhere. I ain't got no one, but I still like to look like I do, okay? Anyway, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.